Welcome back to Modestly Loc'd. Get into the hair, babies. Get into the hair, babies. It is February. June, it will be a year. And y'all, I feel like they are locked. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Because I don't know. But yeah, this is what we working with. And I'm back with a review, y'all. Black-owned company, one of my faves. As you can see, I have on her earrings. There be earring culture. And here's the box. Oh. So, let's get into it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share this post if you like it. So, my handy dandy scissors. Y'all, it's so pretty outside today. Like, I know that's random, but it is so pretty outside. I'm just tired of the cold weather. And yeah, I'm sick of it. Like, can it be spring already? If y'all don't know, I'm back at home. And I was in Chicago on a travel assignment. So yeah, I'm sick of the cold. Y'all, I did not open this box. Okay. Ooh. This box is huge. So the signature, her signature. I love this paper, y'all. It's so cute. And you can repurpose it to like when you're giving out like gift bags and stuff. There you go, some pictures. Y'all, I just think this box is big, but the purse I get. This is big too. Child, y'all. So I got a couple purchases from her and I did some reviews, but I haven't posted them yet. I'll be posting them soon. They might come before this, I don't know. But earring culture. So cute. I love these boxes. I need to get a shelf like in my closet or even down here. I don't know. So I can like display them. Cause baby, black on all day. Every day. But this is what it looks like when you open it. This is just, y'all, these boxes are so freaking cute. Ooh, y'all, look at her. Bling, bling. This is so cute, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Look at it. So, I was nervous. Let me get this out the way. What I was trying to do, I can leave this right here. What I was trying to do was like go outside of my comfort zone. Like, cause she has it in blue as well, metallic blue. But this purple, y'all, is definitely out of my comfort zone. But it is so freaking cute. Like, get into it. I think I'm gonna wear it today. I'm gonna take some pictures. But yeah, oops. But yes, like, oh my gosh, y'all. This is so freaking cute. And then it's got this the scrap. Hold on, y'all. If you want to do a crossbody, y'all know. If y'all don't know, well, y'all will know. I am a crossbody queen. I don't like carrying purses on my shoulders or in my hands. But yes, this is a must for me. Just a little detail. Hold on. Y'all, a matching little wristlet. Like, come on now. This is so cute. And then it says earring culture. Can you see it? Look at it. Y'all, this stuff is just, I don't know what to say, but yes, this is really cute. Just a little wristlet or, you know, a wallet to go in here. And let me show you some details. There is a zipper, but also, you know how these bags, they're like open? There's also this. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you how I want to, but you know, to close it up just a little bit, you know, keep your little essentials in there. But y'all, this is so cute. I am so ready to like sport this around. Hey girl, hey. You like my purse? Thank you. Yes, honey, yes. Get into it. Let's see. Y'all know, like, I'm just now getting into purses. Cause like, especially with these boxes and stuff like that, I don't do bags. That I just go to the store. And you know, I'm a bargain shopper. But most definitely, y'all need to get into this bag. Like, just the color. It's the color for me, honey. Look at it. But this bag is available on her website at Earring Culture. Also, I will put my code in the description below and up here. Make sure y'all check her out. And she also has some other bags that I have done some reviews on. So make sure y'all check those reviews out and go purchase this bag, honey. And it comes in navy blue too. I think it's navy blue, but it's like a metallic blue. But it's so pretty. Just look at it. I'm so happy. So happy. Don't forget the wristlet. And yes, once again, that's Earring Culture on Instagram. I think it's Earring Culture on TikTok as well. Earring Culture on Facebook. Also earringculture.com. Make sure you check it out. This bag is to die for. I love it. And thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video if you like. And if you like this video, comment below and say, hey, give me more like this, because I can do it. Peace.